My check camera rolling. All right, let's go. Hey loves, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about dropshipping. Okay, I know the dropshipping people are always aware about is copying people's picture and posting on your social media. That's part of it, don't get me wrong, but today I just want to go a step further to explain this dropshipping very well for you, just in case if you want to turn it into a full-time business, you have a chance. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about dropshipping, especially if you're a beginner. Okay, so first of all, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is when a retailer doesn't have any products in her name, or you don't have any products in your name. You do not have any products in your name, but whenever a customer ordered a product from you, your supplier or your manufacturer is going to send it all the way to your customer. Dropshipping is a business model where a retailer do not have any product in her name. So when a customer orders for a product, I, the retailer, will order it from my manufacturer or my supplier, and they will send it to my customer. Now, I didn't see the product at all. I don't know whether it's blue or black. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you how you can make this possible. I'm going to be telling you step by step. Okay, just watch this video to the end. You must learn something new. Even if you have been dropshipping for the longest time, this time you have to make your own to be in a professional way. Okay, let's jump right into it. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to select a product. Okay, you have to go into your manufacturer's catalog and select item. Okay, you have to check what they deal on. You have to know what you want to promote. Okay, you can start from electronics. It can be goods for household, it can be shoes, footwears, whatever it might be, anything that interests you. First of all, you have to know what you want to sell to your audience. Okay, you have to know what you want to sell. You have to know what you want them to buy from you. So that's the first thing to do. So guys, the next one is to set up your online store. Okay, you have to set up your online store. Setting it up means putting all the pictures. So you can set up e-commerce store, or you can set up a store like Shopify. Okay, you have to set up your online store. That is where people will come to shop. You have to make it look aesthetic. You have to make it to look very pleasing, so that whenever anybody comes to your store, they'll be able to find what they are looking for. They'll be able to know how to navigate. Okay, so you have to look for all these people that create websites. Yeah, you have to find these people that create websites so that they can make it. You have to tell them your specification, how you want your website to look, how you want your store to look. Okay, so they are going to make it. Let me just give you one tip. You see this thing that anytime you go to, maybe you're shopping on Amazon or Jumia or any of all this online, then you'll be selecting products and you will see checkout. No, you will see put into cart. No, if I were to be you, I'm going to just say when anybody click on any item, it's going to take you straight to pay. Do you understand? Because people used to put item in their cart and forget it there. So if you go straight to pay, people can just, this is just my own tip. Well, the next thing I just said is to set up your online store. Yeah. So guys, after creating your online store, the next thing you have to do is product listing. Okay, all those products that you have gathered from your manufacturer's website, all the pictures, all the things that you want to sell, now is the time for you to upload it on your website. That now is the time for you to upload it on your store. You have to upload it on the store and also do the pricing. You have to write the prices there. When you are done with that, you're also going to put the description of the product. Now, this is the time to elaborate. This is the time to tell people, oh, this is what my product is made of. This is, tell them the reason why they will want to buy it. Be specific about what the item is for. Put the price in there, everything that concerns the product. Okay, put it in the description. Okay, so yeah. So the next is to market your store. Okay. So you have to promote your store. You have to market to your store through any various marketing channel. You have to when it comes to this, you have to be in everybody's faces like this. You have to always push your product. You have to always showcase your store. You have to tell everybody, oh, I have a store now. Come and shop in my store. I have what you're looking for. I have what you need. Always showcase what's your store, like what's in your store. Let people know that you have your store. So anytime they want to place order, they go to your store and place the order. So now let me tell you where you have to post market your store on every social media platform. You can also do that through content marketing. You can also do that through email marketing and also paid ad. You can also do that through paid ad. You have to push it out there so that people will know this is what you're selling, this is your store. Because people that are close to you, if you're not marketing, if people are close to you, might go and be buying the same thing you're selling somewhere else while it's in your store. Do you get me? Now you have to put it out there. You have to tell people You have to market it in every social media platform that you have. Okay, don't be ashamed. Just do it. Do it. So now is the tea. Okay, whenever a customer orders any item from your store, okay, you will now have to purchase the item from the manufacturer. Let's take, for example, the person wants to buy, what will I use? Okay, this bottle. Okay, the person ordered for this bottle now. And of course, you remember that I said in the beginning that as a dropshipper, you do not have any product in your name. Now, since the person have ordered it from your store, you have to now buy this product from your manufacturer or your supplier. And now some people might ask question, how would they send it to the person? You have to use the person's address as the delivery, because the person have already bought everything. The person's data is already on your own platform. So you have to copy everything. When you're placing that order, you're placing it in that person's name, the person's address, so that the supplier and the manufacturer will know who to deliver the item. You get me? You get me now? Yes, that's how it's done. So you see why dropshipping is a very sweet and good business. Okay, now you have bypassed all the scenario of packaging a product, shipping out products. You don't have, your own is just to sit down in your comfort zone and you're using your phone or your laptop to do all these things. Do you understand? The supplier is going to ship it, they have the responsibility of packaging it and all of that. It's nice. Okay, it's a good way. So if you are home, you don't have money to start up a business, these things that I'm saying now, I hope you have your pen and your paper and you're jotting them down, because here we only talk about how to double. We only talk about how to make more money. Okay, yes. So in as much as I said you're going to fold your arms and people will be shopping from your store, now this is where you're going to play a very big role, which is customer service. Okay, you have to be the one to reply to the customers, answer all their questions, their inquiries, anything that they want, anything that they need. You are the one who is going to, it's either you're doing through keyboard or you're talking to them on the phone. Okay, and you have to be really, really nice to customers. Customers are always right. Is it not? Customers are always right. So you don't have to come out and be trying to, yeah, that doesn't matter when it comes to business. Okay, you are there to get the money. Okay, so your work is to be a customer service rep and you have to do it very well. In some cases, some customer would want to return their item. Do you understand? Now it's your duty to tell them where to send it to. All these small things that you can do just to keep your store running. Okay, yes. So after all these things that I have said now, I want to list out the advantages of this dropshipping. I'm sure that you heard all the advantages, but let's just talk about it. Okay, first is that you don't even have to set up any physical store. That's just number one, because setting up any physical store is like paying for rent for warehouse, rent for your store and all of that. No, you're not passing through any of that. So basically it's a low setup cost. Okay, the only money you have to invest is setting up your online store. Okay, there are these people. I think one thing I'll be doing on this channel is to be bringing legit vendors. Like now I know one lady like that who also creates all these e-commerce store, online store, websites and all of that. I would have left her handle here, but I didn't remember to do that in time. So the only thing you have to do is just to set up, pay that money, and the money is not always that much. It's about 100k or 150k. You set up your online store. That's what you have to do. It's not too much, right? So it's just your advantage, because if you're to buy a physical product, you're going to spend more than that. Yes. So another advantage that I can see when it comes to this is that you can have a wide range of products. You are not limited on your store. Like you can put any and every product that you choose to. You might decide to put a water bottle, you might decide to put something like a television, you might decide to put anything. You have a wide range of the product. Not unlike when you're trying to buy a product for yourself that you want to sell, you might just stick to one or three. Okay, but this one you can have a lot of products to sell on your website. Okay, yeah. So guys, the next one is like, this one is even the best for me. Okay, the flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere you are in the world, as long as you have your Wi-Fi, you have your internet connection. Like you can decide to sleep in Lagos today and you're going to Port Harcourt tomorrow, Abuja. Your business is still running. Do you understand? Like, gosh, why didn't I know this thing earlier? And I'm telling you people now, see, you better start doing this business. To start doing dropshipping, just create your online store and put all the products in there. and you'll be cashing out, especially if you're a young person, even if you're working, see, even me here, I started doing dropshipping before I started my business. Let me just tell you, I started with dropshipping. I do not have any dime, any money, any products in my name. Do you understand? So you too now, you can also do the same and start making money for yourself. Okay, yeah. So my besties, the next thing I'm going to be talking about, when they say anything that have advantage also have its own disadvantage. So let me tell you the disadvantage when it comes to dropshipping. Okay, now you're buying from a manufacturer or a supplier. These people actually sell their products in numbers. Okay, if you're buying this bottle, let's say for example I'm buying this one bottle and they're selling it 3,000. Okay, if I'm buying like 10 pieces, they're going to be selling this thing like 1,500 or 1,200 or even 1,000. What's 10 pieces? If I'm buying like 1,000 pieces, excuse what I said. So if I'm buying like 1,000 pieces, they're going to reduce the price. But if your customer is buying like 1 or 2 pieces from your website, they are going to sell it in retail. They're going to sell it at 3,000. Now it's going to give you a low profit margin. Okay, but that doesn't mean you didn't do the work. Okay, you didn't do the work at all. See, so many people that I know, that I see, these prominent people, so many people did this drop shipping and they make so much money. So don't think about the low profit margin, but I'm just telling you, assuming that you're buying in a very big bulk, you're going to have a bigger profit margin, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. The next one is suppliers reliability. Okay, suppliers reliability, your reputation depends on that of your supplier. This is why if you want to dropship, I said this in my previous video, if you want to dropship for anybody, you have to make sure that the person is very reliable. Not when you order for item online and when you get it in real life, it's total trash. Like it's a rotten item, like nobody can use it. Even if somebody can use it, that's not the value of your money. That's not what your customer paid for. So you have to look for a manufacturer that is very good, that their products are always on point, because if you sell something that is not what someone ordered, they are going to drag you like the way they would drag you on the mud, and you wouldn't want anybody to mess up your business. So your supplier's reliability is on you. Whatever mistake the supplier is doing, whatever shortcoming from supplier is on you. So you better play with caution. You better do your business with caution. So you have to know who you're dropshipping for. Don't let any supplier whatsoever, come and start doing things that you don't understand. So guys, overall, dropshipping is a very good way to do business. It's a very good business model. You should also know that success in dropshipping depends on the products that you're selling. Let me give you this secret. Okay, if you want to know products that are moving in the market, you can go to Amazon and type most searched products, or you go to TikTok. You ask TikTok the most searched dropshipping products. I think something like that, you're going to see a lot of products. You cannot just go and start putting things on there that people really do not want to buy. That means somebody will actually buy. But if you buy that thing that have a lot of traffic, people want to use it, people want to buy, everybody wants to have it, people are going to be visiting your website. I hope you watch this video to this end, and also subscribe and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.